Carbon monoxide is odorless. You can't see it. You can't taste it. So that's what really makes it so dangerous is you're in the environment with the carbon monoxide and you just don't know it's there and it's displacing the oxygen in your body. I think there's a false reality. Sometimes people are like, oh, I would notice. But it's just not the truth. I mean, we can see it in the numbers from people and we just don't want to take that risk. It's an avoidable risk just by getting your furnace checked, making sure that you're safe in your home, making sure that you're not like idling the car in the garage with the door closed, little things like that. And, it goes a long way.